Hello, my name is Jay Shore, and I am the managing partner of the Best Medical Business Solutions and the Best Management Business Solutions. The purpose of this instructional video is to guide you through the process of applying for our 0% interest patient and customer financing. You have made that decision and elected to move forward with applying for 0% free interest patient or customer financing. And here is the process. When you've been directed this page, you'll notice that it is an absolutely designated page for your doctor, spa, medical practice, or company that you're doing business with. In order to apply, you do not apply to this section right here. This is to contact us or to be on our mailing list. If you would like to apply, here are the following steps. Currently, there are two programs: patients and customers with excellent credit, right here, and then patients and customers with good credit. As the interest rates and terms may vary, I'm going to give you a list of instructions to apply as it is today. The way that you will conduct this will not change, even though the terms and conditions of interest rates might. For those with excellent credit, as it says right here, we go and we apply right over here. And the purpose of this program is to show you that for 18 months with excellent credit, you can have purchases and balance transfers with a 0% APR for a period of 18 months. That's the current program in effect for $0 of an annual fee. Upon conclusion of the 18-month or whatever the period is at that time, you will pay the regular APR on the balance that you have and not the original amount of money that you borrowed. Currently, this is the rate. For those with good credit, the program right now is 12 months, 0% interest and 0% interest for purchases and balance transfers. Once again, the annual fee is $0, and upon the conclusion of those financing terms, you will pay the percentage of the ongoing variable rate at that time. Let's apply. You click the button over here where it says apply here. This is for excellent credit. And you would click the button here for the good credit. We'll go back and we'll apply. You click this button right here and it will bring you to this page. This page is for the excellent credit and will give you some of the points, perks, promotions at the time, and once again, these will vary. So pay close attention to all the perks and benefits and promotions that you may be offered. To apply, you click one of these two buttons. That will bring you to the Barclays Bank site, where now we begin the application process, and upon conclusion of the short application process, you will have an answer within 30 seconds. Let's start now. You'll be asked to enter your name, your middle initial, and your last name, and a suffix that would be required. Suffix will be your title. These are required fields. It then asks you for a permanent address, an apartment number if applicable, your city and your state, which is a drop-down, your zip code, and +4 if you know it, and then your residence status. It wants to know if you own, rent, or other, and how long you've been at your current permanent address. Then it asks for employment and financial information. What is your occupation? A drop-down menu, which is required. It'll say, do you have a checking account, a savings account, or both? What is your annual income? Do you use this card at automated teller machines? And would you like express delivery of your card? You don't need to do this. It will be mailed to you within a couple of days, but if you need it immediately, there is an additional charge. It then asks for your contact information, your primary phone number and a work number, your email address, and are you a United States citizen? It then asks you for your date of birth, your Social Security information, and your mother's maiden name for security purposes. It asks whether or not you want to receive a paperless statement right here, and then you have read all the terms and the conditions which are in the disclosures here. It asks whether or not you would be interested in an additional card for another signer, and if you'll be making any balance transfers, and if so, it'll ask you who the debtor is. Lastly, It guides you through all of the legal terms and conditions of any standard type of a credit card contract. Here are the terms and conditions as well. You can then print that, and lastly, you apply. Within 30 seconds, you will have your answer as described at the very top. You can then be directed back, and then if you have good credit, you click this button on the page right here, and it brings you to almost an identical type. This tells you the different types of promotions that it has, and then to do that, you apply once again, and it's almost the identical information that it asks. Once you're done, you will get a 30-second response. That concludes the information program for the 0% patient and customer financing. We wish you many years of success, and thank you for listening.